Welcome to this week's market drama. We'll begin with the S&P 500, which was up 1.9% for the week. S&P is up now 18% from the April lows and up 0.5% year to date. Nasdaq was up 2%. It is still down 1% year to date. So in this shortened week, the market really started strong on Tuesday in the back of an announcement over the weekend that President Trump would delay the introduction of a new 50% tariff on imports from the European Union. Then on Wednesday after the close, we had Nvidia report stronger than expected earnings. Nvidia actually ended up 3% up for the week. We also got news that the U.S. Court of International Trade ruled that President Trump's authority to impose the majority of the global tariffs that had been implemented, essentially, he didn't have the authority to do so. So that also sent stocks sharply higher on Thursday. However, later in the week, the administration quickly appealed the ruling, and the Federal Appeals Court put a temporary hold on the ruling from the U.S. Court of International Trade. So that basically the stocks gave back some of the gains on the back of that. We also had the PCE data come out for inflation. It rose 2.5% year over year in April. That's down from 2.7 in March. And it's actually the lowest annual reading since 2021, right? So that is good news in the sense that inflation, considering all this tariffs, that conversation as well as in some case implementation, it has not yet shown up significantly in the inflation numbers. So markets like that. Next week we have non-farm payrolls for May. We also have ISM PMI data. So those are the two to keep an eye on for next week. That's it for this week. Stay tuned for next week.